Welcome to Times Square with Snowcat. No one gives a flying fuck. Oh, we're stuck here. Everyone here drive like fucking dicks. So we're right in Times Square. Yay. It's no right turn on red in New York unless posted. Yeah. Man, driving down here is a fucking mind fuck. I'll tell you that right now. Everyone on the internet. People jaywalk, they go against green lights. Even locals, they don't care. No one cares. The roads here are absolute shit. It smells. But I'm still happy to be here. We're on the way to do a little tour here. Downtown Manhattan, NYC area, whatever the hell we are. First we're gonna hit up Central Park, check out the Home Alone 2 hotel. And then we're gonna check out some other sites, Fifth Avenue, where all the shopping is. Gonna go around the outside of the island to look at all the, the piers and the boats and the bridges. And then we'll check out the Lady with Fire, I've been calling her, Statue of Liberty. We're from Canada. Yeah, so above Montana, I'm trying to find out where you from. Yeah, so we're from Alberta, so just above Montana. We came across to Montreal and then down to New York. Just for today? A couple days. Yep. Thanks, brother. So I'm really trying to talk to you guys, but trust me, like I thought I was a good rider. I'm using every ounce of it not to fucking die down here. I'm not even being fucking dramatic about that, my man. Like this is something else. Big ass roundabout. Snowcat's coming through, yo. So here's Central Park. That kid's on the Segway. So many people in there, it's crazy, man. Everyone double parks, totally illegal. But what are you gonna do if everyone does it? What are you gonna do about it? Like, it's just the way it is down here. It's crazy. I could never live down here. Well, I could never live down here and drive a car. You hear that tingling sound? The tingling bell sound? Central Park is massive. I did not think it was this big. So pretty down here. I almost want to honk everyone because I think it's fun. I'm gonna join in. American, that's a rear-ended guy. American Museum of Natural History, darling. Because Robin Williams was the guy on the horse. Yeah. Right there. Sightseeing with Snowcat. The Lady with Fire, the guy on the horse, which is Teddy Roosevelt, thanks to Volkswagen. I think those cars are touching. We noticed too, there's like bumper buster things people put on their cars here. So people can like drive into your car. Got a lot of stuff on here? Yeah, man, some good footage, brother. So when I talk to myself, That's the nicest Can-Am Spider they sell, is that sporty one. Yeah. There are other ones that look like shit. So we're cruising down still, dumbfounded how big this Central Park is. It's massive. Just talked to a guy on a Spider, cool guy, wondering where we're from. I'm going to be turning right here. Cut through the park for some good look. Central Park, baby. Dicey, there's cops everywhere here. I gotta be careful. This is cool though, man. Some more old buildings and stuff. I'm not gonna be able to see all of New York in 2 days. It's just not gonna happen. There's so much to look at. But riding on your own bike is probably the best way to do it. Like, wow, like look at this. Wow. See, there's right there, bumper bully, bumper stuff. They have it everywhere. I'm not too sure what building that is. I'll have to look it up. It's always the small dogs too. So just behind this tree there, boys and girls, you got the hotel for Home Alone 2. I wanted to see if I can get a photo near it, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. Oh, that's so cool seeing it in person. There it is. Different name now, I think. But that's it. Well, and look, there's the Apple store. The popular, famous Apple thingy. So now we're going to be rolling down 5th Avenue, which is known for like all of its shopping and things like that. And then Saks 5th Avenue is coming up on the left side, I think. That's what I put on the GPS. This is where the rich and rich shop. Wow. See what I mean? People don't give a flying fuck about bikes. If you're not aggressive down here, you're fucked. This guy's indicating right, but he's going left. Wow, look at that red light runner. You have a do not walk, you fucking pricks. Anyways, guys, we're going down the piers now. Have a look at the west side of the island. Boats and bridges and stuff. And there you go, that's the new World Trade Center, I'm pretty sure. They call it Freedom Tower, I think, now. I have the one big tower replace the two that were unfortunately destroyed. Lots of theories on how or why or what. I don't really want to get into that because I don't want to go upsetting anyone. I'm not going to tell you what I think because that'll also upset someone. But there you go, there it is. We're going to go ride by that later on today to see the two holes with the water. So we'll check that out too. Nice little ride along the west coast here, the west side, I should say, of the island. My bike says 34. Yeah. Because you got my hot ass on it. Mm-hmm. This bike's at 30. This guy's a fucking douche. Fuck you. You're just gonna drive into that girl or what? There's some big people here. Like, that's okay to be that big. Wow. You couldn't even ride a bike with that. You can even have sex with that. So guys, we're gonna go into the Holland Tunnel, which goes over the west side, where we can view good old, look at this traffic, man. Idiots blocking the intersection. There's even a guy with white gloves tells you what to do. Anyways, we'll be hitting up the Holland Tunnel to go underneath to go to Freedom Way so we can see the Statue of Liberty a little bit better, because on this side we couldn't even see it. So there we go, we did it. We're in the Holland Tunnel. This is so cool, man. We are fucking underwater. 41 degrees Celsius in here. It's getting hotter and hotter and hotter. We'll check in on the other side, boys and girls. Welcome to Jersey City, New Jersey. Another state. There we go! Yo, 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 yo! There she is, the lady with fire! We found her! There's New York City. Lady with fire. Something over there. And we're gonna go to Freedom Way or Federal Way or something way to get some pictures of the bikes. So many tolls here, man. Fuck 'em, the bullshit noodle. Tell you that much. We don't have any of that shit back home. Yeah, we're from Canada, so we have no idea what the fuck we're doing. Yeah, man.
You guys drove here?
Yeah, all the way from, you know where Calgary is? Yeah, like above Montana.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, C-A-L-G-A-R.
Yeah, Calgary. Yeah, man, yeah. Thanks, dude.
Have an awesome time. Yeah, thanks, buddy.
Yo, man, we did it. The Statue of Liberty. I've never seen that in person before. That's awesome. New York's over that way. They have Easy Pass.
You gotta pay.
He has Easy Pass.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, it's on his thing. But we need 2 bikes though.
It didn't go through. And you have to go one by one. Stop in here. You can't just go.
Okay, I want to pay for my bike. We're not trying to go without paying. They live here.
He doesn't have Easy Pass. It's $14 each.
Do you have money or no? One for him, yeah. Nice. Fucking cyclists, man. That's why it's a red light, man. That's your fault. Like, not one fuck given. He didn't even look. Was that recording?
Yeah.
Nice. It's those grimy New York streets.